episode 27 of the ongoing eruption in the Kilauea summit. All right, we need to set up for a shorts video. So I'm going to do that live with you guys here, and we're going to do it in one take, one cut, and we're just going to see what happens. And if we crash, that means we have a we have a part 2 automatically. Don't go nowhere. Come right back. Get up, stretch your legs. I'll be right back up as soon as possible if for some reason we crash out. Okay, let me make sure everything's going to go where I need it to go. And what am I going to say? Should we just use the message? The last USGS message? That would be the easiest. All right, bear with me, everybody. I'm taking you through this live on a shorts cut here. I think we're good. I'm going to use that. Set up. Episode 25 of the ongoing eruption started this morning at 9:05 a.m. inside Kīlauea crater. The north vent fountains have reached about 1,000 feet. See, I already screwed up. Anna is one of these days gonna go through all of my mess up. So every day I do these shorts, there's always about 5 or 10 of retakes to try to get what I'm looking for, and some of them are great. Oh, let's try again. Episode 27 of the ongoing eruption of Kīlauea crater. Now, see what I mean? There we go. Let's try again. Episode 27 of the Kilauea eruption started back up this morning at 9:05 a.m. Lava fountains from the north vent are about 1,000 feet high right now. The south vent has remained inactive or minimally active so far. Northeast winds are blowing Tephra. One more time. Take three. Or is this 4? Let's try one more time. Episode 27 of the ongoing eruption in the Kilauea summit. Focus. She's telling me to focus right now. Oh, man. Episode 27 of the ongoing Kilauea eruption started this morning at 9:05 a.m. Lava fountains from the north vent are about 1,000 feet high as of 10:47 this morning on Hawaii Island. We are live right now. Check us out on YouTube. Why did I say that? Why did I even say that? That's not even close to what I say. Why did I say that? Oh man. Take 7. Hold on. I gotta get my stuff lined back up here. You guys see what I go through every day? This is what I go through every morning. Every morning when I'm putting things together. Some mornings are fast. Some mornings, yeah, I got a little hiccup. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, last one. Here we go. Episode 27 of the ongoing eruption at Kilauea started this morning at 9:05 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Lava fountains from the north vent have reached about 1,000 feet high. The south vent has remained inactive or minimally active so far. Northeast winds are blowing Tephra. See, and at that point, I looked over, because I don't normally record here. I looked over to make sure I have my record off. But that is going to work. That is what's going out to the public. You guys know the truth of what's happened. Thank you for bearing with me during that. Northeast winds. Is that what I said? Northeast winds. Oh man. Come on. I don't know who's having more fun, you or me. Northeast wind. I'm putting this here so I have it. I need this. All right. What? 10 times a charm. All right, Falcon. Here we go. 10 times a charm. All right. Episode 27, the ongoing eruption at Kilauea, started this morning at 9:05 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Lava fountains from the north vent are about 1,000 feet high. The south vent has remained inactive or minimally active so far. northeast winds are blowing Tephra. There we go. Can we call that good? Can we call it good? Can we call it good? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is fun to do. All right. I know you guys been asking. There she is. You don't need the mic. Got her bone with her. Yes. Got your bone. Still rolling here on Hawaii Island. Caldera Cams are live 247. You can watch them anytime.